Extending support to Binda CM's indefinite hunger strike in Shillong, demanding the black topping of the road from Nongpo via Umden to Sonapur, the leaders and members of Hinyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization Umden Circle today obstructed traffic in Bhoi district as a mark of protest against the alleged adamant attitude of the state government. The road blockade, which started today at 6 a.m. at Yomau Long Marngar and Umden, will continue for 24 hours. Meanwhile, effigies of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong and Nongpo MLA Marylebone CM were also torched by Hito members to condemn their alleged failure to meet the demands of the people.
ngithau bet hi nang mata kini ki kali kamai ki commercial vehicles ba kimbit ban kamai mata kasngi kumbang la ong ba kin haban ai kata jing krishan lan kata jing sport ka jungi nang mata ka jungi ba pen i kata jingi telilang ka jungi kan khamtam kini ki badai ki ba ki commercial vehicles ki badai na ki dong ki thang ki jingi ba khamtam e hoi kamdon ka jing kta nang mata ki nonglei ki nongwan khamtam ki khna school ki nong hikai ki nong pang kamdon ka jing kta e ki la ban lei ki la ban wan namar ngimdon ka hok ban khang yau pajba khamtam yau nong pang nong stom kebeli sim dawai ki khna school ki nong kai e ndai nang mata kini ki nong trei kam sarkar ki office sarkar e ki hap ban ai kata ka ketiga deang ka ketiga mon ka jungi ba kin hap ban ya support lang nang mata kini ka program ka jungi mata kasi bat khamtam nang mata kini ka road strike ka jungi mata kasi.
In an incident that raises concern